To clear your Chrome search history, follow these simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Then, click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select History and click History again in the submenu. This will open the full history page. Next, on the left side, click on Clear Browsing Data. A new window will pop up where you can choose the time range for which you want to clear the history. You can select options like last hour, last 24 hours, or even all time to delete everything. Make sure the browsing history option is checked, and you can also select additional options like cookies or cached images if you want to clear them as well. Finally, click on the Clear Data button, and your Chrome search history will be cleared.